My name is Clara, and my project is in Bioscience A category. The title of my project is The Effects of Hormonal Birth Control on the pH of Skin. The idea arose from an old wives' tale that said women cannot make pickles while menstruating, and I wondered why. I began looking at all the factors that go into the pickling process, and I concluded that pH is a huge factor. Due to the cleanliness of all the equipment, the factor most likely to skew the pH is the human hand in the handling of the cucumbers. However, before I could even begin to draw conclusions on a myth, I had to figure out if the fluctuation in hormones such as estrogen and progesterone actually resulted in the fluctuation of the pH of skin. I took the skin pH of the palm of 20 women's hands over the course of 2 menstrual cycles. I regulated the times and the days of these measurements. 10 of the women were on birth control and 10 of the women were not. Over the course of approximately 2 months, I found that though the skin pH of all women in the group fluctuated similarly to the vaginal fluctuation in pH, women on hormonal birth control had a much heightened skin pH as compared to women who were not on birth control. I did expect the women on birth control to have a higher pH due to the greater number of hormones. However, I expected the pH readings of women on birth control to be much more stable than those not on birth control. Understanding the changes in the pH of skin due to fluctuating hormones opens doors to so many new possibilities. For one, the skincare market may change drastically. With new technologies, acne treatment and other remedies for skin conditions can be tailored specifically to the person receiving treatment. This knowledge could also allow for the improvement and maintenance of the natural flora of the skin, which may increase immunity, therefore decreasing skin-borne diseases such as MRSA and other staph infections.